This happens when you try to import an image that is not already in your asset folder, that's in your local files. It's somewhere online and you want to call it from wherever they stored it online to your website. So this actually occurs as a security measure. And then in this video, I'm going to show you how to work around it. So let's get in. Okay, guys. First things first, this is where I imported the image. This is the link I used and it's bringing up this error. All right, guys. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your next config. And over here, I have my next config. It's next.config.mjs. It used to be next.config.js. I don't know why they changed it, but they've changed it. So you come over here and you can see this is what's available at the moment in next config. I've not really done anything. It's just like a new site I'm trying to replicate. So what you're going to do, you're going to type this. So after typing protocol, you're going to type host name. And this is actually the name of the site, or this is the domain name of the site where you're pulling the image from. For me, the domain name is drop-asset.eu.com. So that's what I'm going to type now. So once you type that, just save it and go back to your page. Right over here, it's not loading. So we're going to have to refresh the page manually. All right. Voila. The image is here. This is the image I was pulling, this one. So maybe you want to call images from different websites and you can't just be putting different host names in this place. So what you're going to do is just erase this particular host name that I've put right now. You've put right now. So all you do is hit asterisk twice and save. So now whenever you call any image, it's gonna pop up. You can see, let's refresh to show that everything is intact. Taking some time. Oh, so you see the image comes back, everything pulls out. So if I should call another link now, it's gonna work. Let's check it out. I have another one. Let's check. I blurred this one out before I commented this one out. So let me undo that and save. Okay. All right, I forgot, my bad. It's asking for width and height. I forgot to put that in the image, so let me put that right now quickly. Just give it 500. The height also 500, just to show you guys. All right. Okay, let's go back. There we have it. Boom, it's right there. This is the image I called. So you can call any image from any website by just doing this. Well, thanks for watching. Bye guys, see you next time.